at Hololens, when I joined Hololens, the first Hololens V1 was targeted to consumer also, and a bit to enterprise, and it failed with consumer again. But it really resonated with enterprise. This is why in 2019, when we came up with HoloLens V2, we targeted it 150% to enterprise and to industry. This also led to the $22 billion contract with the US Army, which is not a typical enterprise use case. It is a defense use case. But really, the resonance with enterprise and defense for XR, smart glasses, all the range that Amy talked about, smart glasses, AR, video see-through MR, optical see-through MR, to full-fledged MR is really strong with enterprise. Now, buying the headset is only the tip of the iceberg for enterprise. There is no use case. Enterprise is actually developing their own killer apps based on the hardware that they're buying, and really as Maya put it, the real return on investment is cost avoidance for industry.